It's Bismoto. I told you I was doing something on this side of the bike last week. I didn't want to show you. I turned the bike around so you guys could see it, obviously. But yeah, here's what I did. I put an ankle biter on the back of it. Looks pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm looking to doing some other upgrades again, which will actually be on the other side again. But that will be an exhaust. I'm thinking about having a guy in the Philippines or Thailand or whatever build it for me. It will be a custom exhaust, so that will be really cool. And another thing I'm thinking about doing, well, I actually ordered it already, but I'm going to see if I can get it to fit and look good, is for the front fender on this. The stock one I really don't like because of how the shape is on it, how it's like pointy, you know. And I ordered the Honda ground one because it's more rounded and flows better with the wheel. So I ordered that, and I'll see how that looks. And if I get that on, I'll make another video. And the same with the exhaust. But obviously the exhaust, if I did order, I probably wouldn't get it for like 3-4 weeks or longer. So, but anyways, guys, I didn't want to keep this video too long. And I will see you guys in the next video. And you guys all take care. Peace out. Bye.